Next, we're going to demonstrate using the Hydro-X Extreme Extractor with a truck mount. We pre-saturated this carpet. This is a regular cut pile carpet with a 3/8 pad. You can see the pad and the carpet is fully saturated. We'll lay that back down. This extraction table does not have tack strips, so we're just using a clamping device just to hold the carpet in place while we extract. Okay, next we have our 2-inch hose from our truck mount. Truck mount's already running. We'll hook that up to the whip hose already attached to the base unit. And we'll go ahead and lift the Hydro-X up onto the extraction table. I'll remove the steering pin. This allows the operator to turn the wheels so they have some steering. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to select forward, because we are going to go in this direction. Then we get about halfway, we'll put it in reverse and we'll come back. As far as the speed goes, this is a cut pile carpet, so you can go relatively fast. At first, I would recommend going on a little bit slower. On a fast setting at first, and maybe a little bit slower setting on a second pass. This type carpet will take at least 2 passes. Well, we're going to check that as soon as we make those first 2, and I'll show you how to determine whether or not it needs another pass. So we'll put it in forward. We'll go a little bit faster. We'll go down about halfway across the carpet. We'll come back. That's 1 pass. I'm going to move over just a little bit to the other side of the table. All right. So that was 2 passes in this corner. So then what we'll do is we'll pull the carpet back, pull a pad up, and if you're going to give it a squeeze test, and if you can squeeze it and any more water comes out like it's doing, then we know we have to have at least 1 more pass. So we'll lay the carpet down, our padding down, lay the carpet, then put our clamping device back on. And we're going to make 2 more passes across this. I'm going to slow down the speed down to about halfway. So that's 2 more passes on that path. We're going to move it over a little bit to the other side. Get a good thorough extraction on this side. That's 2 in that same corner. So we'll go ahead and lift the carpet again. Lift the pad, give it a squeeze. Now you can see just a little bit more water still comes out of the pad. So in this case, we already did 4 passes. We're going to go ahead and clamp it. And we're going to do 2 more. We'll go a little bit slower. That's 1. And that's 2 there. We'll move it over a little bit. That's 1. And finally 2, for a total of 6 passes on this. And take the clamps off, lift the carpet, pull the pad back, give it a squeeze. Now you can see there's no more water that can be squeezed out of the carpet. So that you know that this type of padding carpet with this size truck mount, this will take 6 passes to get thoroughly extracted before you start to dry.